E-bond management. NESL e-signing and e-stamping of the bond. After the officer's queries have been answered to the satisfaction of the officer, they may approve the draft bond application. Once this is done, an e-sign link will appear on the dashboard of the user, which will redirect them to the NESL page for the purpose of e-signing and e-stamping of the bond. Prerequisites. Before beginning the NESL e-sign and e-stamp process, Digital Signature Certificate (DSC) or Aadhaar-based e-sign should be active and linked. Ensure the bond has been created on IceGate and submitted for e-signing. NESL account credentials should be available, if applicable. A stable internet connection and a working browser. Pop-ups must be enabled in your browser. The mobile number linked with Aadhaar, if using Aadhaar e-sign. Steps. Click on the reference number. Scroll down and click on Make Stamp Duty Payment. This will redirect you to the NESL page for the purpose of e-signing and e-stamping of the bond. Enter the CAPTCHA code. Then click on Get OTP. Enter the OTP received on your registered mobile number. Click on Verify. Scroll down and click on I agree. The payment status will show as pending. Click on Proceed with payment. The payment details will now be visible. Click on Proceed. Select your bank. Then click on Pay Now. A confirmation page will appear. Click on Confirm. You will now be redirected to your bank's login page. Enter your customer ID. Then enter your transaction password. Click on Submit. The payment status will now show as success. Next, click on Proceed with e-stamp. The users can view the bond document in a pop-up window after e-stamping. After reviewing it, click on Close. This will redirect them to the e-signing window. The user will check the consent box before they can e-sign. The user will select OTP-based e-sign, which will be an Aadhaar-based authentication method. Currently, only the OTP-based e-sign is available for use on the NESL page. The other two options will remain disabled. The user will click on the e-sign button. Enter your Aadhaar number. Then click on Send OTP. Enter the OTP received on your registered mobile number. Click on Perform e-sign. Please wait while the document is being digitally signed. Here, you can see the transaction status as success.